Hi, this is Stacy, and in this clip I will show you how to make your own gift cards. The materials are colored construction paper, tape, pen, and scissors. We are going to a dinosaur themed party, so we are going to make a dinosaur themed card for your gift. And I have chose green and brown construction paper because they are dinosaur themed colors. The first thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half and fold it again. This way we can get 4 cards. After that, we are going to make a dinosaur egg as our card. So you're going to cut an oval. Now you are going to cut different circles out of your brown construction paper. Now we are going to tape our brown circles onto our green egg. Just randomly place them on there. After you've taped them all on there, you're going to grab another green egg and we're going to tape it together to make our card. So you're just going to tape the side. Now we are going to open our card and write a message. After you have wrote your message, your card is complete.